What's up, guys? All packed up, ready to go. Already went ahead and mixed up my solution, 3 gallons. We got 2 smaller jobs today, Saturday, so I'm good with that. The second time we've been out here, and I charge $150 to come out here because it's quite the drive. Just do these 2 rooms. I think it's $350. But they had flooding, so we're gonna go ahead and hit all this with peroxide. And we're not doing any extraction. This is just, they did all that already. We're just gonna clean the carpets. So I'm gonna hit all that with peroxide. If you guys don't know how to get rid of water stains, that's what you do. I'll be using some Go-Oxy with about 12 ounces per gallon. Spray it, agitate it, and it should get rid of all that browning. And this one right here, it's got a few spots in here. Looks like coffee spill or something. But yeah, easy cleaning. Will probably take us, I don't know, 45 minutes. And we'll be back out. All right, stay tuned. Oh, country living. Too much country for me. Way too far out here. What's up, buddy? Yeah, so we had some major rain here in California, if you didn't know, if you didn't hear about it. And we had a lot of flooding, so. All right, I'm gonna mix about a gallon up, put it in my little 2.5 gallon backpack sprayer. I don't have the backpack part on there because I don't really use the small one for backpack. But this is more my spotter, you know, stuff like this, you know, deodorizer, even Scotch Guard. All right, this is the peroxide I'm using. You get this from In-Cap store. Alright, so that peroxide is going to do its thing. We're going to actually agitate everything in. I'm going to go ahead and pre-spray right now. I didn't want to boost my whole pre-spray because I already have this mixed up for 3 gallons. I don't want to boost it all, so stay tuned.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit. Yeah, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on.
That's proper technique right there. I know you guys sometimes looking at my van and say, man, it's kind of dirty inside there, but look what I work in from time to time. I don't care how country the place is, I'm still getting on my way out.
To fight, to die on, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name.
All right, so we're gonna do these area rugs, and we're gonna do them right out here. She had them all rolled up for us, so yeah, it's nice to be able to work outside. Perfect weather. So polyester, easy clean, high shag. One of the, I think, children had a throw up experience on one of these. I think this one. We're gonna locate that and treat that and then clean them. All right, so of course we're vacuuming. So customer said that she just threw up kind of randomly throughout, so we're just gonna go ahead and use up the rest of that peroxide and then pre-spray, agitate, and extract like normal. On-site rug cleaning. Really easy, especially when it's outside. All right, if you notice that thing kind of looked a little awkward spraying down, because this got a taper to it, so a flat jet, it works great, but this one also has a degree on it, so instead of switching out the whole wand, I just improvised. So yeah, I treated that with deodorizer, peroxide. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray everything. Usually use one of these things for every rug cleaning most of the time. Sometimes we actually bring CRB out on it. Alright guys, so that's it for this one. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.